Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to register on Fiverr as a freelancer. It could be anything from logo designing to graphic designing to video editing and sell your any skill on Fiverr. Once you're on the Fiverr website, click on join at the top right. Just enter your email here. In this tab, you have to choose a unique username and set your password. I think this is not a unique username. I'm gonna try again. Now there you go. Finally, I have entered a unique username. Now I'm just gonna set my password and proceed. And it's done. I made my Fiverr account successfully. Now I'm just gonna put in the details. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.